Hello and welcome. Today I'm sharing with you this kind of problem. This could not complete the image size comment because the scratch text. Okay, so when I'm working and how I'm fix this problem, I'm going to share with you. So why this occur? It's because your disk, because basically we our all of this our program files are default by default loaded in C drive. Okay, so here is something occur if your files and folders is defragmented and elsewhere. So this kind of problem can be occur. So what you need to do, go to the run and type percent and you should delete it, the all temporary files, all recent files, that's all are junk folders. Okay, so that's one kind of thing. Okay, now you should do one thing, change the drive path. Okay, so let's go. I'm just showing you how I fix this problem. So here this is the problem. This could not complete the image size comment because the scratch text is full. So go to this is edit and now go to the preferences, and this is here this cursors, and this is scratch text. Okay, so here it's a by default and it's a C drive. You should uncheck this C drive and go to this D drive because I have two partitions, and here lots of options. You can play with these options and you can see, check it out. This options is very helpful. The history log, everything is important. Export. Uh, okay, there are lots of things you can check it out. Okay, so here now when I'm going to change this image size, it's really work. Okay, so it's cursor yes, now it's a very big size, so it's maybe take some time. Okay, and other thing you can do, go to the run and do one thing, defragmenting and clean your C drive spaces. I'm showing you. Now you can see this is, I have two drive partitions because lots of partitions sets uh, the longevity of your disk may be at risk. So I have two partitions. Okay, so here you can do one thing, that's let's go to this properties, and here lots of tools and disk cleanup. So what this cleanup do here, it's deleting the duplicate folders, duplicate files. Okay, and one thing you should do, go here, run, type here run, and here and type here sorry, type here percent 10%, and here hit enter, and see there's lots of junk file and folder. You should delete it, all of this thing. Continue. Okay, so it's deleting the junk folder. If it's not deleting, and you can see this kind of prompt up message. Try again. If does not work, do this all, and again skip it, because it's something that's it is running program. So here delete these things, and one thing you should is go to this run, go to this run here and click here and resent, RECENT, recent, and hit here. There are lots of recent folders. There's all of this junk folder. Okay, and now delete this everything, uh, see, it's not deleting. So there are lots of program or software. It can be by the software, it can be easily deleted. Okay. So this is the tutorial. One thing you should do, go to this check and this optimize and defragmenting drives. Okay, you can see this and check it out, and here you can optimize. See, this is depending on your RAM, depending on CPU. I have a uh, very advanced CPU. Okay, so it's does not take any more time. So you can change settings here. It will not do nothing. Okay, so this is you can see this is a image. If I uh, make the bigger size, okay, this works. So basically you should do one thing, basically remove the junk folder, junk files and recent everything, and go to this there. So this preferences here, you can see this is scratch disk here, and it's going to be shared drive, C drive. It's no problem. So it's basically junk. You should do one thing: remove all of your junk folders. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.